Welcome to the in front of me iPhone 14, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the Our Photos application and then click here, for example, to the recents or to select one from the photos in your album. For example, let's hide these three photos. So just select them and then click here on the right down corner on these three dots and tap here to hide. Then click here hide three photos, and now you will find them here in album section. Just scroll a little bit down and click here to hide them. Now we should add our use our Face ID or passcode or PIN code. So just you should use one from your unlock methods on your iPhone. For example, I'll use my passcode, click here, and now we can see here there's our three photos hidden, and we have just here also two more photos hidden before. So just if you wanna unhide them by the same way, select the photos. Now we have three selected from the five. Click here on the three dots and click to unhide. Go back here to the recents, and now we can see there's our three hidden photos. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.